Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's my video is very interesting for you. Actually, this is all about the makeup, and this makeup is especially for the college going girls, because when girls are going to the college, they are thinking like that they have the license to apply the makeup on their faces, which is very cute. So yeah, it's true also. You cannot go out without makeup in these days. You know, everybody is applying the makeup, this and that, so many stuff. So I would say first you have to apply the moisturizer, sunscreen. After that you can apply the makeup. But some girls are very lazy. Even they don't want to wash their faces. So for that I would say, like, you have to first face wash, put moisturizer, then you can apply the sunscreen. If you don't want to apply the sunscreen, then you can buy the foundation or face tint like that, which SPF already inside the foundation or tint that will protect your skin from the sun. So after that you can apply your makeup, like foundation, your concealer, your eyeliner and everything. So let's get started now. So I'm going to apply this Pro Fix Sticks from NYX. This is concealer corrector both. Actually, I'm going to apply on my dark circles. Just a tiny bit you can apply, because don't apply a lot, because it will give you crease or your face will look heavy whole day. So you can just, no need for the brush even. I'm just telling you, you can only apply with the finger. After that you can apply this tint. Like this much you can take it. You can hydrate your brush with the mist and hydrate your skin. I just applied a tiny bit, and this tint has a glowing effect also. So this is very good for your college, or you are going in the morning time. Just apply the tiny bit, so this amount is fine for now. So for the eyeshadows, no need for the eyeshadow, because morning time you don't have time to apply any eyeshadow. So on the eyes you can apply the kajal. I know the black pencil is looking more classy, but today I'm going for the another. Today I suggest you to apply the other color pencils also. That will give you more classy look, and you will look unique and different also. And these pencils are, you know what, these pencils are very good. They have the blender also with that, so you don't need any kind of brush. You just apply the pencil and blend it with that, so it's done. You can also keep it in your bag also, so anytime you have something smudging or something like that, you can fix anywhere. That's why I'm just showing you 3-4 products, so you can also keep it in your bag. That one, this tint, one pencil, and one you can lip gloss. So that's why I'm telling you a very less stuff to use in the morning, because these all things you also keep it in your bag when you are going to the college. Eyes, I'm going to apply this one. I will show you the effect of this. Look the color. You can apply it up and down. You see, I apply this color and I'm going to blend it. If you will blend it, even you don't need any kind of eyeshadows or like that, because in the morning you don't have time to apply so many stuff. And you see, this is also giving a very classy look, like a black, because after black mostly the girls want to apply the blue color. And for the cheeks, I will suggest you can apply that tint. One is the Benefit one. This is going to the expensive one, and it's very popular, very trendy. This is from Essence. This is a budget friendly, so you can go for that as a beginner. So after that, when you know how to apply that tint, so you can apply, you can buy the Benefit one. So I'm going to apply the Essence one in front of you to show you how it's look. Just you can apply like that with the finger, because even I apply everything in front of you with the finger. Even I'm not using the brush, so it's easy for you to apply in the morning, because in the morning we don't have time to brush and this and that stuff, so many stuff. So it's good if the hand is handy also, so we can apply anywhere in the college or outside or wherever we can apply with the hand. So little bit you can apply the nose. It will give you a nice and cute look. Tint you can apply on your lips also, because this is for cheeks and lips. Now you see, this is a nice and light makeup, light light kajal, light lipstick, light blush. So it's nice, because in the morning you just need 3-4 products to apply. So this is good if you really want to apply the mascara, because after foundation sometimes the foundation we have on the eyelashes, so the eyelashes are looking very dim. So you can only apply the mascara on the edges. And this is the final look. Hope you like my looks. Hope you like my makeup, my suggestions. I would say you have to follow my suggestions, follow my products. These products are very good as a beginner, or even you are a professional also. These products are very good. The concealer, NYX, and this foundation and mascara and the tint, this is really awesome. You can buy, and I must say you can buy and try. So thanks for watching my video. I hope this helps for you for your makeup as a beginner. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.